Question 18. We have that given matrix A is equals to minus 1 over 3, 3 over 4. B equals 1. Matrix B is 1, 2, 3, 6. We should calculate AB. And these are the options. Now, these questions on that matrix and they want us to calculate AB. That means A times B. AB is going to equals to matrix A is 2, 3 minus 1 over 3, 4. Matrix B 1, 3, 2, 6. Here we have. Now we have AB is going to multiply this, we take here 2, we multiply by 1, we have this to be 2 multiplied by 1 plus, we take this minus 1 over 3 multiplied by 3, we take 2 multiplied by 2 plus minus 1 over 3 multiply by 6, then we take this 3 multiply by 1 plus 4 multiply by 3, then we take 3 multiply by 2 plus 4 multiply by 6. Here we are going to have 2 times 1, 2. Here we are going to have 3 will cancel 3, plus times minus 1. We are going to have minus 1. Here we are going to have 3 plus, we have 4 times 3, 12, plus times 12, we have plus 12. Here we are going to have 2 times 2, 4. 3 divided by 6 will give us 2. We have minus 1 times 2, we have minus 2. Then we have 3 times 2, 6. Then we have plus 4 times 6, that will give us plus 24. Here we are going to have 2 minus 1, 1. 3 plus 12, 15. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 plus 24, 30. So that means AB is equals to 1, 15, 2, 30. Then the option corresponding to this is option A. The correct answer here is option A. Ṣó le, kò le.